Nice to see councillors, deputy mayor, staff, members of the public, members of the press. Thank you all for coming. Councillor Kingi, I was just wondering if you could avail yourself to give us a blessing for the day. Thank you, Councillor Kingi. Thank you very much, Councillor Kingi. So, turn to items. Are we live streaming, Shani? We are live streaming, and welcome to kia ora to visitors from around the world on our live stream operation today. I'm sure there's plenty out there, so nice to have you join us. Hope you can hear us. So, reminding the councillors to speak nice and clearly, they can, and make sure the red light is on. Item 1, apologies. No, complete full house, so nice to see.